Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to English dub on Crunchyroll. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll application on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, right here in the home section, you're gonna find some suggested animes. If you go to My Lists, you're gonna find all of your saved episodes in your watch list. You can also go to your Crunchy list, your history, and lastly, offline if you are a premium member. If you go to Browse, right here you're gonna find a section that includes all of the animes. And if you go to Simulcasts, you're gonna find some Simulcast season animes. So right now we're gonna go to Account. When you go to accounts, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Crunchyroll account. And as you can see, guys, right here in preferences, you're going to find audio language, subtitles, and CC language. And lastly, show closed captions. So in order to change the dub, go ahead and click on audio language. And then you can choose any audio that you want. As you can see, guys, I'm selecting right now English. But for example, I'm going to change it to Japanese. And if you have it like this, by default, just click on Japanese and then change it to English. You can also change the CC language. For example, I'm going to choose Spanish. And once you finish, just go back and then your settings will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.